today's video, we're going to completely deconstruct this thing. I will be selling my Password JDM stretch kit. If you're interested, let me know. You've seen how it looked on my bike. If you don't know how it looks, then damn, I don't have any pictures. But if I do have a picture, I'll insert it somewhere in this video. So that's today's goals, and we're gonna get straight into it. Y'all like my new scooter, bro? Clean, boy. That boy is clean. Joke's on y'all. Y'all thought I was stretching it, huh? Nah, bro. B20 swap incoming. Yeah. Send the rod out the block, gang. Kind of a cool new shirt and sticker idea, huh? Send the rod out the block. So here we have my Ruckus. What I'm gonna do first is disconnect it from the shock. And then I'm going to disconnect it from the frame itself, and then this whole frame will just come right off, and then I'll just be left with the motor and the wheels. Make sure when you're doing this, disconnect this hose that goes to your coolant reservoir, because if not, then you can't really get the frame off. So do that and then it should be off. Frame is off. Now we're just left with the motor. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the stretch kit. If I'm not mistaken, I have one 17mm nut right here and a 17mm socket size bolt right here, whatever. So I'm gonna put a vice grip on that and put my trusty Milwaukee on that, and then take off this whole extension kit, stretch kit for the Ruckus. So it's actually a 14. Okay, so I was doing it wrong. Loosen up the 17mm, this side's a 14, so I just put the gun on here and then put the vice grip on there, and I got it loose, so that's good. Got a Jeepers Creepers dryer right now. But in order for me to get the wheel off, I'm gonna have to go to O'Reilly, pick up a size 22mm socket, and come home, deconstruct the... As I was saying, you back-tossing me, boy? Jesus. But I'm gonna go to O'Reilly, pick up the size 22mm socket, some wrinkled black paint so I can paint the engine while it's ready to be painted. Take off the exhaust, basically prep it properly this time. Well, because when I did a valve cover, y'all seen that. So hopefully I can paint this engine properly and not get it like... Shut up, Zosh. Just go get the damn painting socket. Christina! I don't know why, but every time I drive my car after a motor swap, I feel much better for some reason. Like, I feel happier with the car. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. If anyone have a speed sensor for sale, please DM me on Instagram. My speedometer isn't working because my speed sensor broke. Oh, I think it popped off the thing. Oh, there we go. What you think, Tuck? Christina cool? She's beautiful, bro. She's alright, bro. She's back on the road. She is back on the road for damn sure. No problem? No, not yet. No leaks either. No oil leaks, no transmission leaks, coolant leaks. I'm surprised. I'm surprised. It's better than before. Until I bought them. I'm not low. Dude, you can still fit your foot under. Yeah, I'm not low. It's just because of the aero parts. Man, James just be hating on your boy. Why does James hate on me? James one of those Mustang guys at the car meets that be doing burnouts. My little B6 will beat that little Honda Civic you got, bud.
No, that's sad. That's just shit.
That is sad, bro.
Honda Civic you got.
It's either
that little Honda Civic, new shit box race cars. Bye, Tuck! Back home, got the socket, got the paint. Now we're gonna take the wheel off and start masking off stuff so we can paint this engine. Playboy. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys now that I'm kind of scared that this whole engine's about to go boom. So, fast forward 10 seconds from now. Damn, that was easy. Oh, that was easy. got the engine pretty much cleaned up and stripped down to where I don't have to remove too much, because I removed the radiator and then the fan's going to be exposed and I don't want to individually wrap each fin of the fan or each blade swing, whatever the hell the thing is called. But pretty much cleaned. This stuff is no joke, but I need some brake cleaners so I get like small spots like them in there and stuff like that. I'm going to head to Walmart to pick up some masking tape and what else? Aluminum foil so I can use some wrapping stuff. Then I'll go to Harbor Freight and get some cutting blades so I can start mounting the frame. Good deal. Got some brake clean from Walmart because you can't beat it for what, $1.80, something like that. I can't remember the price. But I'm gonna brake clean the engine, put the engine there, and then proceed to paint. Well, I'm gonna mask it off and then proceed to paint. So with that being said, we finally get to power up these LEDs, boy. Light is all set up. You guys see how dark it is. Here comes one light. Oh, here comes two light. Wow. Holy smokes. That LED is no joke. Look at that, son. Oh, yes. Huge thank you to Kevin and Ryan for supplying these lights. Oh, man, that made the garage much better. Much better. Wow, we good to go. All right, so let's paint this damn thing. To my channel, then you should know I have no idea how to paint. So if you watch that and right now typing in the comments, Zosh, bro, you don't know what you're doing. I know, I don't have no idea what I'm doing. That's why I chose wrinkle paint, because it's hard to mess this up. If it don't wrinkle, oh well, I don't care as long as it come out black. It's all that matters. So I went with the wrinkle, but if it do wrinkle, it's gonna take up to 3 hours to dry before I can flip it on the back side and paint the back end of the, well, the bottom end of the motor. So we're gonna continue this video tomorrow. I'm gonna go edit the video of me actually deconstructing this thing. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, so it's the next day and it's a little gloomy outside. It's raining, so you might hear some thunderstorms and scattered showers in the background. But check this out, bro. Look how good this came out. Holy smokes. Lower the ISO. You guys that real deal, son. Ooh, that thing came out beautiful. So to continue this video, I'm gonna flip over the motor and then do the 3 coats and 5-minute wait between each coat, and then we're gonna wrap it up for this video. And then I'm gonna go ahead and proceed and grinding down the frame and getting it ready for paint. So making progress, baby. I didn't film my last coat because I left the camera on when I went inside and stuff, and it was filming for like 20 minutes straight. And if you have a Sony camera, then you know the overheating on this thing is quite scary, because you could really burn your whole camera up. But 3 coats are done. I did 3 coats as well on the carburetor, and Ryan was like, well, you shouldn't have done the carburetor, but we'll hope it works. Which means I screwed up big time. But it's okay, because I think I'm gonna be okay. But the backside of the engine is now have been painted, and I'm gonna let it sit for 24 hours as well before we can start like handling it, putting somewhere else safe. So when I start the process of that, getting the frame, getting it painted and all that stuff, we can put the whole motor back together without any issues, hopefully without scratches and stuff like that. But that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's much longer than the last one. I'm sorry for the last video being only 7 minutes long. I did a lot of stuff this video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it, for all my Ruckus guys out there. And if you know, if you don't like it, then it's okay not to like it. Just don't waste your time trying to nag at me about it, because I actually enjoy doing this stuff, so it's all good. But that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, click that like button for you, but that'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.